We're an urban farm here in Chico. Our strength is in diversity, but we also grow specialty crops like chicories, radicchios, caneberries like raspberries and blackberries. Garlic's our staple crop, and we grow our garlic also for seed to sell to home gardeners and farmers too. Our mission really is education, so having people out here for plant sales, and we really want to show people in Chico how an organic farm is. So we are a no-till farm. We use compost and cover crops to enrich our soil. We also have pollinator hedgerows around both of our farms for wildlife habitat. We got a grant from CDFA, the California Department of Food and Ag, to work with Chico Unified School District to grow more food for them. We're really excited to open a farm stand here in Chico to be able to get people more access to our food. Instead of just having a weekly farmers market, we hope to eventually be open 5 days a week and be a little hub in the heart of Chico.